Hello everyone, my name is Kamlesh and today we will going to discuss on the topic that is Angular directives, and today's date is 13 December 2022. So whenever we learn about the Angular, there is a number of components or uh, number of categories like HTML, TypeScript, CSS, and we can using this all the categories by using we can create a number of module or our model or APIs. So in the case of when we creating any APIs or any model, then we can use the Angular directives. So in that Angular directives, there are this is introduced in Angular 8. So in Angular 8 the directives are introduced like directives classes, directive components, and directive structure. So Angular directives categories in three categories. First is a component directives, second is a structured directives, and third is a component directives, structured directives, and third is a class directives. So whenever we go with the component directives, there is a we can use in our you can create any component. That time we can using that the component directive for the modifying and appearance the our model in the HTML or CSS page. So whenever we talking about the next, that is structural directives. So in that structural directive, we can say the conditional directive. We can use it is start with the star, like for example star ng if, star ng for, star ng switch. These are the conditional statement we can use in the structural directives. So ng if means we can adding all relating the DOM, that is a documents of model in our model. So now we can discuss about the next, that is third category. So in third category we can creating a directive class, that is we can using the ng generate directives. So in this scenario we can creating in directive class, and we can use directive class for the when we creating number of component, and that component we can write down in HTML, and that component we can style in that directive class. In that directive class we can add the color, font, and size only once, and that is the change in the HTML different component in HTML. We can only change in the directive class only once time. So this is all about the Angular directives. Thank you.